Hi friends, welcome to week 4 of distance learning. Can you believe we've been at it this long? You're becoming pros. So this week we're practicing words with OA and OW, and we're practicing those word endings, ED and ING. Not just the word endings, but also what you do to the root word when you add those endings, okay? So let's do a sound drill together. You ready? We're experts now. You call them out. Hopefully you said O, E, O, A. All right, next row. We have A, I, A. Next row. Sh, O, K. And then the last row. Hopefully you said E, A, Ch. Easy? All right, real quick before we go, you shout them out all through. Ready? All right, thanks for practicing those with me. I'll see you soon for our spelling work. Okay, bye.